Hello, and welcome to Elder Care Answers, the show that focuses on your elder care and estate planning journey. I'm Mary Ravazio, and joining me is attorney Doreen Seaman. Doreen, I know from our conversations that we shouldn't wait for a bad medical diagnosis or the symptoms of an illness before we begin planning, but when should we begin to prepare for the bad things that can happen to us?
Every adult should have at least the basics of estate planning, what we commonly refer to in our office as your foundation.
Okay, a foundation. What are the basic building blocks that make up the foundation of an estate plan?
It's a handful of documents, and I'm sure many of our viewers believe they have what we're calling a foundation. But this next point is very important. Not all foundations are created equally.
What do you mean by that? Isn't a will just a will, and aren't they all pretty similar?
No, they're not. Here's the issue. Years ago, people didn't usually live a long time with an incapacity or illness, but now they do. Because of longer lives, increased litigation, and the focus on privacy rights over the last couple of decades, it isn't enough to have basic generic estate planning documents. The documents also need to include standby provisions that address these issues. We call them elder law and disability provisions.
Whether we are young adults, retirees, business owners, or parents, how do we know we're making the best decisions when it comes to our estate plan?
That's right. There are a lot of little things that can change the advice we give a person, which is why our office tends to ask a lot of questions when we meet a new client. We don't want to miss an important fact about them or their family and have unintended results.
How do you know which issues need to be considered?
Experience and education. We've worked with over 1,000 clients over the past decade. Almost every single continuing education course we've taken during that time has been about these types of issues.
That sounds like a commitment to estate planning and elder law.
Yes, it is. Estate planning isn't as easy as downloading a will from the internet. We see those documents every day, and honestly, they keep us in business because we get hired to fix the problems created by people who didn't realize they needed our experience.
And you don't practice in any other area of law?
No, and our office doesn't litigate contested cases either. We create and update estate plans, qualify clients for nursing home Medicaid and VA benefits, probate estates, and settle trusts.
Where do we start?
Whether you need an estate plan or you have an estate plan that needs to be reviewed, it all starts with a consultation.
Is there a fee for that consultation?
We offer free consultations for general estate planning. For certain types of appointments where the client doesn't need an estate plan, but may just need some practical advice regarding a Medicaid application or how to address a specific probate issue, we usually charge a fee. Our office always lets our clients know in advance whether there would be a fee or not.
Okay. If you'd like to learn more about estate planning or probate, just schedule a consultation at SeamanLawOffices.com. And while you're visiting their website, you can request an appointment, read their blog, and find other valuable resources. And follow Seaman Law Offices on Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter. There's always new information being posted.